yeah, show you more. And no, I didn't do that welding there. That was already on there in the right spot. Yeah, the tornado warnings are going off. It's always something around there. Found 11 cents, so that helped pay for this.
You say you're worried about financing? There's no need to worry. We take cash all day long at Rick's Rusty Rex. Welcome to RCindustry.
Well, hey, it's Rick here, and we're back on the limelateda, the Fordalac. Anyway, what we got to do today is we got to try to get some exhaust on this. So I'm going to get up under here, jack it up, get up under here, and I'm going to take down the Y pipe, and it's right on the back. It's bolted to the back of the collectors that come down off the manifold. And all of that's been unhooked. I'm hoping that all of that is burned out in there, that honeycomb stuff that'll be in there, you know, all the energy conversion, whatever, you know. If it's still in there, we're gonna break it out. So let's tear this apart and let's take a look at it. Show you more. Okay, well, I got the Y pipe down out of there, and you can see there was no muffler or up over the axle and tailpipe. That was all gone. And that it's rusted out right there where the Y comes together. So what I'm going to propose to do is we cut off here and here and get those back up under there and fit them, and then we'll hold these cherry bomb mufflers up in there and kind of figure out, you know, if we want to mount them further to the back or just right in there and then run pipes clear to the back. Because what I'd like to do is make sure that I'd like for them to come and turn out right here by the back wheels. That's kind of what my plan is. But as everybody knows, plans can change. So here's those catalytic converter thingies, and they are punched out. I looked up in there. In fact, this gasket is new, so someone's already knocked these out. And same with that one on that side. But what we got to do is cut that off. It came out this way and wide right across here and then went back. But I think there's plenty of room now that the tires are bigger and they set up that we can hang those things right across here and then turn them out right before that back frame piece there that holds the rear end. So let's see what we can do. Show you more. Okay, well, we got that tacked up. Let's take it down there and make sure it's going to fit before we weld it all the way up across there. So, all right, show you more. Okay, well, we got the back seat out of this old girl and found 11 cents, so that helped pay for this just like brand used exhaust system. So we got to bore a hole through here, and of course where I need my bracket to hold the muffler up down there is right under this little frame. So we're just going to have to drill through both of it. Well, come on now. Well, I can't use my other hand because I can't get over here. There's our pilot hole. There is that. And we got this bolt here to shove down through there. I'm going to put the lock washer up here at the top. And we'll take this little washer and the nut down at the bottom. Alright, show you more. Now, you can see we got that sticking through, and what we want to do is put this bracket up on there like that. And we're not going to tighten it all the way down until we get the muffler laying up here for the mock-up, and then make sure everything's going to fit, and we'll mark it and then weld it. Alright, show you more. Okay, here's that. Let's see if this is in the right spot. Yeah, the tornado warnings are going off. It's always something around here. Well, let's see. I think we're going to have it more like that right there. Just like brand used, baby. We got it marked right there where we need to weld it. And we'll put us a clamp right there to hold it up. And no, I didn't do that welding there. That was already on there. That was these pipes that I bought from the salvage yard. But my welds aren't much better, guys. Okay, show you more. Okay, guys, well, there it is. It's finished. All I got to do is take it down there and bolt it on. And yeah, show you more. Okay, guys and gals, there it is. The driver's side is done. I probably, if I can save up some money, I'll buy me little chrome tips and put out here, and so it'll come out here to the side. But for now, that's what she's going to be. Alright, guys, I'm going to get busy and do the other side, and I'll bring you back when I get it done. And I don't want to have anybody talking about budget builds here. I got $71 in this whole exhaust system, including the mufflers and anything that I had to buy new, which was very little. I had most of it. So anyway, you know, I can't afford to go down and put $900 into this car. You know, I mean, I just can't do it. So this is what we're going to put on it. Thanks for coming along. I'll show you when I get the other side done. Clear! Clear! Alright guys, there you have it. The limelateda now has some exhaust on it. I can actually stand here and hear myself think. I don't know what it's going to be like inside. It might be a little louder. Anyway, there's your true budget-friendly exhaust system. Guaranteed to be a cop magnet, you know. By golly, thanks for tuning in. And as always, we're making it just like brand used here, baby. Hey, don't forget about the NoNameNationals. September, it's coming up. I'll throw the show bill in right here. And if you haven't went out and subscribed to all the channels that are trying to make their 500 subscriptions to get there, please go do that. And we just reached a milestone, 2,000 subscribers. Thanks, guys and gals. And as always, we're making it just like brand used here, baby. Run, Tallulah, run!
Hi, baby.